Okay, well, here's day two. A couple of things I wanted to show. I know most of you already know this, but a couple of things you want to do before you actually start tearing something apart. Get organized. I love these Harbor Freight things or something similar. You ride on it. See, that way you organize. You put all the nuts and bolts in proper places, so when you go put it back together, you can clean the nuts and bolts without disorganizing yourself. You can put them all back or similar bolts because some bolts are going to need to be replaced, a little rusty or whatever. Um, Another reason I wanted to do this video is the grill here. I know the front grill. Yeah, yeah. It's got a, which I didn't know. It's got a spring-loaded thing in there. Maybe it's upside down. Yeah. See, I'm recording this so I can put it back. I don't know. So then, does it just come out? See, look at that. Yeah, I didn't know that. Of course, like I said, I'm not an expert. Okay, so that's good. I'll keep the spring and the bracket and restore that. Okay, that's good to know. Proper tools. I love my little Harbor Freight electric ratchet. Boy, what a time saver. Um, so far, every nut and bolt I've taken off has been either 7/16, 1/2, or 9/16. And the 9/16s are back here on the seat. Well, let's see, not the seat. To hold this bracket, this fender down. Those are 9/16. And the seats, well, I don't want to say I don't remember. I think either 1/2 or 9/16. Probably 9/16s held the seat on. This is stuck. I can't get that off right now. So um, I took the rest of the seat off of that, and I'll be able to get to that in a minute. No, these nuts and bolts down here, 1/2 inch, 9/16. So that's good. No odd sizes, nothing like that. So that's all really for now. I just wanted to give a quick little update, I guess, and just remind you. Oh, another thing, before you tear something apart, start it, run it, drive it, see what's wrong with it. See what you need to fix in the process. Because restoring something, you're not automatically going to fix the broken things. You're not sure if you're going to rebuild the engine. I am, but because I learned today that it smoked really bad. When there's another reason she was giving it to me, and that's fine. See, I know that, so now I know what to do. But make the transmission go through its gears, the clutches, and all that. See what you need to do during the process of restoration. I think that's a very important thing to do, just to, so you don't put something back that's broken, which people can do while restoring something. They just take it apart, paint it, make it look pretty, but they didn't know it was broken, and now when they're done, they got to troubleshoot. Especially your wiring. I haven't got in there yet. Especially your wiring. Make sure everything works. Because then if it's good wiring, you can clean it up and touch up what the pieces that need touch up, and the other good pieces you can just clean up and put back. But anyway, so that's all. I just wanted to do the grill wire bracket thingy, and just a couple minutes on this. It's real easy, guys, real easy. The hood hinge, the hinge is up here. There's only 2 bolts holding the hood onto this bracket here. See? Right here, right? Those 2, that's all it's holding the hood on. The hood hinges are on the hood still. So, but I'm still going to take the hinges off of that when I go to fix it. That's all, guys. Be good.